Hey, welcome back to One Pot Dish. Today we're going to be making a relatively simple but pretty interesting dish. Bananas, cinnamon, coconut with a special palm sugar. So here's what we're doing with the palm sugar. It doesn't dissolve that quickly if you leave it in a big chunk. So you've got two choices. You either give it a grate, in which case it dissolves really quickly, or you do what we're doing here and sort of kind of slice it up with a big knife. Once you've got that ready, it's time then to start preparing your dish. Take a relatively large pot, put in your palm sugar. Now you can use brown sugar as well if you don't have palm sugar. And you want here coconut milk, not coconut cream. Coconut cream's just too rich. So pop in some of the coconut milk, put it on a medium heat because you don't want to burn it. Put in your cinnamon, which you're seeing here. Now if you've got a pandan leaf, tie it in a knot and pop it in, but that's purely optional. Keeping an eye on the coconut milk and sugar, stir it occasionally. You're now ready just to start preparing your bananas. Any bananas are fine. You want them ripe, but not too soft. If they're too soft or too ripe, they're just going to disintegrate when we actually put them in the lovely coconut sauce. Now we're using some rice flour here, so it's potentially this is a vegan dish as well. 1 part rice flour, a couple of parts of water, and give it a good mix. And this rice flour is just basically going to thicken your syrup so it hangs off the bananas. Give it a good stir like we're doing here, and then pop it into the coconut mix. As you put it into the coconut mix, you definitely want to continuously stir it so that you don't get any clumping, and make sure you have mixed the rice flour very well so again there's no particles left. Cook that out so that you can see it's just simmering slightly around the edges, and then slowly add in your bananas and you're basically done. With the bananas, let it come up to a slow simmer, and then you'll be ready to start plating up. This is a traditional Indonesian dish, and it's just awesome. You can have it hot. Now we're serving it here with some sticky rice, but you can equally serve it over ice cream, and you can actually have it cold with ice cubes or shaved ice if you're in a hot environment. It's just an awesome treat. Kids love it after school, and it's relatively healthy. It's got bananas in there. It's got a little bit of sugar, but all in all, this is fantastic. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and we'd love it if you subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye from One Pot Dish.